In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox Studio not opening on PC. Let's get started. For the first method, search for Roblox Studio. Once it appears, click on the option Open File Location. Now right click on it and select the option Properties. Now head over to the section Compatibility. Here check in for the option Run this program in compatibility mode. Likewise, check in for the option Disable Full Screen Optimization and running the program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Now, let's try second method if still we're having the issue. Search for Run. Now type in %local app data %/Roblox and click on OK. This will take you to the Roblox folder on your system. Here select all files and delete them. This helps remove corrupted data that may be preventing Roblox Studio from launching properly. After deleting the files, try opening your Roblox game or launching Roblox again. This will force the system to re-download and reinstall necessary files, including Roblox Studio components. In most cases, this process fixes the issue and allows Roblox Studio to open normally again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.